Hey everyone, Josh here with the Jdub Outdoors NZ YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. And in today's episode, me and my mate Lucas are out four-wheel driving and camping, and we actually hit a bit of snow, which is very cool. And I tell you what, it's going to be a really cool episode. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. I then left the house and went and met up with Lucas. And just like that, we're off into the New Zealand wilderness. Alright, we're about an hour into our trip and we have found snow. Look at that, how sick is that? That's Kuraponga J you're looking at right there. Snow fell down to about 600 meters in elevation yesterday morning. Alright guys, we've just turned off the road onto a shingle track and we're going up top to hopefully run into some snow, because at the top of this mountain it's 900 meters in elevation. We're at about 650 at the moment, 700. So me and Lucas here just heading up. You have actually seen the spot before. This is where me and my brother came after we went camping a few videos back. I'll tag it up in the corner now. So yeah, let's hope to find some snow, eh? If not, we'll definitely find some down the road, because we've seen quite a lot and we're not far from it at all. Alright guys, we've officially hit snow. It is light snow at the moment, but the view's insane.
Minute, I guess.
Oh. Alright, Lucas is going to try and go up this in his patrol. That thing sounds sick, man, tell you that. You're in for a pretty cool little video here. Holy, slide the whole way down. With the snow on the back too is epic. There's just no grip. Hey, yeah, go up the other one. Go up the other one. There he goes. Guys, just to let you know, all this stuff here is clay, so as soon as it gets wet, it's almost impossible to get up. There we go. Pretty cool looking rig though. You should give it a little rev. Listen to this, guys. Fire, that thing's loud. Alright guys, we're now off to Tai Happy. Bit of snow, guys. And before we knew it, we were in snow. You good, mate? As it is snowing, it was not meant to be snowing on the forecast. I don't know if you can see it, but we just came across a guy who was putting on some chains. So we're gonna go nice and slow, like super slow, because this can be quite dangerous. It's not really icy, it's kind of fluffy, but yeah, it's better safe than sorry. Yeah, you don't want to be silly in these kind of conditions, so we're going to be as safe as possible. Don't worry guys, I have got data and I just checked where we were. We are 930 meters in elevation, but like only just down the road about 100 meters. We slowly make our way down and we won't be in snow, so we are pretty lucky that we're close to the end. So we will be perfectly fine guys. So tell you what though, it's only light stuff, it's not really falling, but it's blimmin' cool. This is so cool guys. You can see it all coming down over there, and look at this on the side of the road, because most of this fell yesterday morning, and you can see that quite a lot has fallen. Let's throw this, hey, let's throw it, baby. Oh, taste test. That's pretty good. Time for lunch. We're gonna go grab some Maccas. I've just finished up some Maccas and it is time to head to Desert Road. The road's just opened up again. We just made it to the, sorry if I pronounce it wrong, to Kino ski field. There is a sign now at the start of the track which says stay on the track at all times, so we do have to follow that. As you can see in this clip, there is about an inch of ice against that rock, and that is the way that the wind is blowing. And the wind is blowing at negative 15 degrees. And just like that, we are at the very top of Mount Ruapehu. Look at this road.
Look at all the ice coming off the side. Oh. Hey.
How cool is that, guys? I'm trying to hide from the wind. So darn windy. Nah. I wouldn't do that to you, Lucas. Oh. I'm done. We're going to go back to Kuraponga, which is probably about an hour and a half, but we're also going to stop by and just because the scenery with the snow is so beautiful. So that's the plan. We're going to head back, probably camp in the snow around the car because it's so unbelievably cool. We decided to stop by the National Army Museum to check out all these big tanks. Say that. Check out that thing. Come on here. She's huge, mate. Yeah, mate, flex up on us. Bro, that thing's huge. Imagine hearing this thing come down the road. That'd be horrifying. Follow Jdub Outdoors NZ on YouTube. This stuff ain't cheap. Our plans have changed. All the snow that was lower that we drove through this morning is pretty much all melted. So we're just going to go to Kuraponga Campsite and camp there for the night. Then in the morning we'll wake up, make ourselves some eggs and all sorts of stuff, and we'll go and do some fun 4-wheel driving. made it to Kuraponga Campsite at 5:15 PM. This right here is not the kind of stuff you want to be seeing. That just sucks because it just ruins a perfectly good camping spot. This was meant for camping, but no one's going to want to camp next to this. And this is the reason why dock campsites and dock trails get closed. Idiots like this. We have found camp for the night. Cheers, guys.
Alright, welcome to Cooking with Lucas. Tonight we've got venison steak and garlic herb seasoning. Alright, fire this bad boy up. It's a bit hot, though. That's alright.
Alright guys, steaks are done. Now we're gonna let them rest for 10 minutes and give it a taste test. They are done resting up. So it's time for a bit of an old taste test, eh? Actually, I might have to salt it, eh? Oh, I got the end, but hey, that's not bad.
What do you think? What do you think, mate? What do you think?
Perfect, guys. You got the Canadian Club and your venison steak. And spades. You know, this is a proper New Zealand way to do it in the bush. Cheers, guys. Just finished up dinner. That was real nice. So our plan of attack is to just hang out, chill out, have a few drinks. Alright guys, it is now, it's only kind of early, 8:42, so we are off to bed and we'll wake up at 7 AM, get on britty and then do a bit of four-wheel driving. Okay, that does not work.
Or is not using this clip?
What the heck? Look at it. Alright guys, it's now time for breakfast. Today's menu I'm gonna make scrambled eggs. We've got sausages and bacon. No. Just so you know, the milk's kind of like a slushy now because it was in the fridge, and since it got so cold, it got, yeah, frozen. Because of the milk.
You gotta get the McDonald's. We've got some ketchup, courtesy of McDonald's. Oh, look at that.
Our sausages are taking a bit longer than we thought to cook, but we'll have those later on. Cheers, guys.
I'm just doing my bacon.
We've just finished up brickie, so now it's time to pack up, clean up, and then we're going to do some forward driving. Alright guys, tent's all packed up. Now it's time to do some forward driving.
Look at that patrol.
That is sexy. Oh, we got a little flex up going on. This one can't flex much because it's on a low lift at the moment. Got a bit of flex on the back. Not too shabby, boys. This is for all you four-wheel drive lovers. And with the snow on the back, what more could you want? Alright guys, we just made it to the area where we are going to be doing some four-wheel driving. Alright, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And hey, I'll see you on the next one.